Again, welcome to my video. Let's start with creating a new application on template of Blinky example. We simply select and let's say Blinky external name as okay, yes. And add a build configuration, of course. Make sure you select proper board name, which in this case mine is nRF5340 development kit. Okay. I think it's done. We defined sleep time, in other words delay time. I mean, we are doing a blinking example. Our LED will be on for some time and will be off for some time with this sleep time ms. Ms is just we have millisecond. I mean, simple. This part is important in our case. We just change here, but how? Let's get some understanding of this thing. Here the board DTS file, device tree file, which the hardware is described. For example, if we use LED 0 as alias, let's see, alias alias LED 0 node. Let's find LED 0 node here. For example, this node has a property of GPIOs, which is 28 pin of 28. Our onboard LED 0 has property of GPIO 0 28 pin, and let's say we will use the pin 12. Let's say we can actually change this to 12, but this is not the recommended and not a safe way. We need to create an overlay file. How to do that? Come here, Blinky external, your build section. Then as you can see below the input files, you can see the device tree file and no overlay files. Click create. Okay. Now actually we can simply copy this part, but make sure that you include the root to execute properly. Delete this part. We just need to this node, LED's node, and actually we can leave, since we need just one LED. LED 0. Let's say name as LED 5 and my LED. We can delete this, we don't need. And what we said, 12. We don't need the labels, but this is for some practice. This is some background. It will create a background for you. Try to explain your code. For example, this label we can name as external LED. Okay. And this is just flag. Actually we don't care now, but if you are curious you can make some research. I will simply say if this GPIO active low, the default mode is this GPIO is low. When you interact with it, it gives digital 0. That's all. Let's find our source file, main C. Now we will change this line. Let's again define let 0 node, let's say let 5 node. This is just a custom name. You can name it as you want, as you wish. DT alias, we use some other method, DT alias, DT path, DT node label, and let's say we use node label. We need to have that 5, but why I get an error? Because we didn't close the bracket. Okay, now it's fine, I believe. As you can see, we have let 5 now. Okay, and that's all. And also I will change this to let 5 node. Our structure name is, since our structure name is the same, we won't change let. The rest of code will work well. And that's all you need to change and do. As I said, it's simple, but sometimes we can get stuck, we cannot understand, and simply we will flash this to our board.